Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and preparing both devices. Connect the iPhone to Windows with the original cable. Make sure you trust the computer on the phone prompt. On Windows, enable developer mode and install the Nugget Companion app. This gives the bridge services needed. Once done, open the Companion and the Nugget iOS app side by side, then initiate pairing from the iOS device so the apps can exchange keys and establish a secure session. You now handle the complex exchange. Compare the numeric pairing code and accept the cryptographic prompt. This prevents man-in-the-middle problems. Next, pick your sync profile, files only, settings, or a full mirror, because each choice alters transfer size and frequency. Make sure background refresh is enabled on iOS and that Windows Firewall allows the Companion app, otherwise transfers stall. Once configured, start an initial sync, so differences resolve and indexes build on both devices for future incremental updates. You finish by verifying transferred items and running a manual final sync. This confirms integrity and catches missing data. If authentication fails or the session stalls, revoke the pairing on both devices and repair to refresh keys and clear transient errors. Make sure the USB cable is seated, restart both apps, and examine the Companion app log for error codes. These steps often resolve issues without help. If problems persist, collect logs and contact Nugget support with timestamps and error messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.